Hello friends, welcome to Open Source Guruji channels. So today we would like to explain you regarding Unix and PuTTY connections. So how to connect PuTTY in Oracle VirtualBox if you are using host Windows. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to update the Ubuntu package. So for that you can use sudo apt get update command. So it will update the package, which is software package which is in Ubuntu. So you can see here right now it's updating. So yeah, so next item, next action is we need to update we need to not update, we need to install Openssh server. So sudo apt get install open, see the command, because it's very important for us. Until if you don't have Openssh server, you can't do the connection. So see, you can see that here is the it's saying that it's already installed, and the Openssh server is already installed with the new versions, so no need to install it again. And next, see, as we have updated the software and we have installed the Openssh server, so we would like to see that what is the status of internet connection into Ubuntu server. So you can see here so I have tried to just check with the Google, and yeah, so Google is working fine. So yeah, so internet connection is here, so there is no issue with the internet connection. Next item, after verifying the internet connection, we would like to setting the network adapter. So you can see the dialog box for settings, and go to the network and see the attached to, it's a bridge adapter, and permissions you can allow all. Once you will setting up all this item, then you need to select yes or okay, and you can just verify that because it's measure okay. So yeah, it's updated now. So it's already network items are updated. So here I would like to prefer that to check the IF configuration, but it's don't require it really. So try to restart your Ubuntu, because we just change the configuration, so it need to be restarted. So after restarting, you can see that in the VirtualBox, because this is like a VirtualBox configuration item, so you can see that anytime whether it's changing or not. So still that adapter is bridge adapter and permission is all, so still you can see that Ubuntu is starting. So wait for some time. Once Ubuntu will start, then we have to do some action item which will help us to configure the PuTTY. So it's very slow today, and it is taking time as well. So hold for some time, and let's see what is this, what is happening here. So right now Ubuntu is started and it's asking for credentials. So Okay, so let's see. uh, okay, so looks Ubuntu has started now. So again, because we have already changed the bridge adapter, so uh, we would like to see that internet's connection, internet status into Ubuntu. Let's verify it, and after that we will further move into that. So we will open the Mozilla, and again, like, we can check some websites to verify it, whether the internet connection is perfectly working or not. So I'm really sorry for that, because it's taking too much time today, and because for some time I would like to pause the. Okay, so after pausing, yeah, so you can see that I just wanted to see that Twitter account, Twitter, and it's working perfectly. That website is working perfectly. That means that internet connection is there, internet status is correctly working. So let's find the IF configuration. So you can get it, the internet IP address here, that is 192.168.29.93. So let's open this putty from the local host machines, and you can enter the IP address here, whatever the IP address you get it from VirtualBox. So 192.168.29.93. Wow, yeah, so it's working now, I think so. So login as, so here we need to enter credential and password. Okay, so internet is, so we can see that we can able to connect the virtual machines Ubuntu from the local host. See that this is the directory and files available, and so that's all for today. Hope this video will help you out, and please share and subscribe open source Guruji channels, and